I don't know how to say this shade name, but we're gonna use Zam, Zan, Zaman. Back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. So I recently did a video talking about the Jackie Aina palette maybe ripping off the Norvina palette, and it caused quite the disruption. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link down below. By the way, my name is Nikki. If you're new around here, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I am currently uploading every day in the month of August. I also have a giveaway going on, which I will leave a link down below. So subscribe, hit the bell so that you're notified of all the new uploads. So that video that I filmed gave me the idea to put these two to the test, because if you've seen that video, I mentioned, and some people were not happy that I said this, but I always keep it real with you guys. I don't lie to you guys, okay? Even if it's not a popular opinion, I'm still gonna tell you what I thought. When I first saw the Jackie Aina palette, I was like, that looks like the Norvina palette. So it gave me the idea, and I was like, why don't we put them, oh my God, my dog sounds like a cat dry hacking. He has heart disease, poor Coco. I thought, why don't we put them to the test? So in this video, I'm gonna do one eye with the Norvina palette, one eye with the Jackie Aina palette, and let's just put them head to head, toe to toe, test to test. Okay, I'm going overboard. We're just gonna see what's up, okay? That's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna share my thoughts with you, so stay tuned to the end because it's very, very interesting. Let's go back in time. Sans eye makeup, Lego. Did I just say that? I'm not cool enough to say that. I'm missing 2 nails. My weave is a mess. Let's do this. All right, friends, hello. I know I look a lot different from the intro. So we are going to play with these 2 bad boys. I will show you close-ups of these 2 together. This is the Norvina. As you can tell, it's completely trashed because I use it all the time. This is the Jackie Aina palette. I'll show you side by sides. So we're just gonna have some fun. One eye with one eye with the other. First of all, let's talk about the packaging on this. Gorgeous. This hands down is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette packagings from Anastasia. I just love how it's kind of, I don't know, is it halo? Is it iridescent? And it has like a gradient where it's like silver, pink, and then blue. I love it. This packaging, A++ for me. Some people might think it's tacky. You guys let me know down below. I think it's just very posh. It just looks very pretty, but upscale. I really like it. It even feels nice. Like it trumps this palette. I'm trying not to compare them, but come on, we're gonna compare them. Let's do some swatches. So I did actually use this last night, but if you've seen any of my recent makeup looks in my videos, literally guys, I've just been into putting one color all over the eyelid and that's it. I did a recent yellow look like that. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. I post them on my Instagram if you want to follow there. I post a lot of makeup looks, an orange look. But today I want to get a little more fancy. So yesterday I just put wigglies all over the eyes. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I actually went to a PR event for First Aid Beauty and they were just complimenting, oh my God, it's so beautiful. I just put this all over the lid. They were complimenting me and they're like, what is on your eyes? And I told them, oh, it's the new Jackie Aina Anastasia palette. And they're like, oh my God. So that's gorgeous. That feels very creamy. Let's do Shooking. These names also crack me up. A+ for the names because, oh my God. First of all, my favorite color is purple. Hence the reason I bought the Norvina palette when it came out because there's lots of purples in it. You guys, oh my God. That is beautiful. Be still, my beating heart. That's like one of the most beautiful purples I've ever seen. I don't even know if there's gonna be any comparison in this video. Let's do Big Wig just because I love purple. So there's some shimmers and some mattes. God dang, that's pigmented. Oh my God. I love Anastasia. Jackie, girl, let's talk. It's amazing. Okay, so just to be, that's gorgeous. I can't wait to dig in. Just to be fair, I have some makeup remover wipes here. I'll use my other hand because those fingers are dry. Let's swatch some of these because I don't remember any of the Norvinas being like this. Let's use the other hand. Let's go into Celestial. I feel like I don't say that word right. Celestial. Celestial. Celestial? Anybody want to pronounce that? Oh, that's really pretty. It's not as creamy as Shookington, but that's really pretty. It's one of my favorites in there, and it's very pigmented. Let's do Soul, which is the matte purple, which I don't use very often, honestly. This is just making me realize how much I love Anastasia shadows. So it's really pretty. I just feel like there's not as much punch as the Jackie Aina palette. Still very pretty. It's not skipping. Very pigmented. Let's do one more. Let's do another shimmer. Oh, my favorite shimmer in this palette is Rose Gold. So now that I'm touching them, they're both the same consistent. Oh my God, that is my favorite. Look at that. That is just beautiful. So they're the same consistency, like Wiggly, Shookington are the same as, sorry if you heard my dog hacking up. I told you guys he has heart disease, so sometimes he dry coughs. Rose Gold, and what's the other one? They're just, I like the shadows a lot from Anastasia, but these, girlfriend, I'm excited. So let's just clean our hands and jump into it. I have, the only thing I have on my eyes, I have Brows, Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Wear it every day, love it. And then I was gonna put eyeshadow primer because if I'm being honest, I don't do my eyes without doing an eyeshadow primer, but I know some of you like to see eyeshadow looks without primer, so I'm not gonna put it on, but I'm just being honest, that's not something I would usually do. So, you know what I just realized? I'm going to a birthday party after this, and I'm gonna go with 2 different eye looks. I guess that could be good conversation. So, let's start with the 2 colors I would use as the crease. So for Norvina, I'm gonna go in with Passion, so one of my favorite colors in the palette for the crease. And for Jackie Aina, I'm gonna go with Credit. So let's do Jackie Aina on this side. That sounds weird. And Norvina on this side. Okay, for sure the brown shade in Norvina Passion is not as brown as the Credit in the Jackie Aina palette. Like, it's just obvious. I'm pretty sure you can probably see it. It's a lot more subtle. This is a lot more deep. And I like both of them actually, just for different things. So for example, when I want a deep, deep crease, I would definitely prefer Credit. But maybe for every day when I want more of a just natural crease, I would use that. So I wouldn't say either is bad, they're just different. This is definitely deeper. And if you are of a deeper skin tone than I am, then I think you would like this probably for an everyday crease shade because you need it to be a little bit more brown. But I feel like because well, how would I describe my skin tone? I'm a deep skin tone, obviously, but yeah, that makes sense. You know what I mean. You get what I'm saying. I like both of them though, for sure. Faux show. Okay, I'm just realizing I kind of need like my eyes to match somewhat because I just don't want to look crazy at this birthday party. And I don't want to have to explain, I was filming a tutorial and that's why one eye is green and one eye is purple. So I'm gonna try to stick with like gold, purples, and pinks, I think. Oh, you know what I'm noticing? Even the pink shades, the matte pink shades, like Love here is a much more pale pink, and Supreme is just like a deeper version of it. Very interesting, I like that. I don't know how to say this shade name, but we're gonna use Zam. I heard her say it in the video, I still can't say it. So let's do Zam. Zamen. So let's start with putting that on the inner corner and we'll just like see where we end up. I have no idea what I'm doing, but ooh, that looks pigmented. Oh my God, there is a party on my face. Oh yes, that is beautiful. Oh my God. If you like shimmer, you will love this shade. So I think the most equivalent one on the Norvina palette would probably be Summer. It's also a shimmery gold. It's just, yeah, let's just see. Actually, I don't know. Let's just see, shall we? I don't know if I should do summer or dazzling. Yeah, let's do summer. Oh wow, they're very similar in color. So the difference is that the Jackie Aina, the whatever, that one is more shimmery for sure, a lot more shimmer, and it's more of a deeper gold, which would look really great on deeper skin tones. Summer from the Norvina palette, a little bit less shimmer and a little bit of a lighter color, lighter gold. I like them both. I just feel like the Jackie Aina is definitely catered more if you have deeper skin tone. It would pop more. Any skin tone can use it, but I feel like deeper skin tones this would really make it pop. I appreciate it. It's gorgeous. I definitely, personally, I prefer this one because I love shimmer. I love shiny. I love glitter. But if you don't like as much glitter and shine, bam, in your face, you might prefer summer. But oh God, I live for some good shimmer. All right, we're gonna blend all this out. Don't worry. I know it looks crazy. I know. All right, you guys might think I'm gonna look crazy, and I probably will, but I just wanna try as many shades as I can. And so we're just gonna go in with the Shookington, the shimmer purple. Purple and gold. I don't think I've ever done that color combo. Let's see how this goes. I know the color is gonna be gorgeous because we just swatched it, but I just don't know about the combo. Do excuse the nails. I mean, that's a lot of shimmer. That color is beautiful. I don't like the color combo, but that's just my fault. But these colors, Zan, whatever, and Shookington are beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I love them. So far, very impressed with that. Now let's go in with the Norvina palette. Let's do, the shimmer purple that they have is Celestial, whatever. I cannot speak in this video. See, I see what she means when Jackie said, you know, it's punched up. It's definitely for all skin tones, but it's really great for deep skin tones. This is just a much more subtle look than this. This is just bam, gorgeous, packs a punch, vibrant, really pretty. And this is the same thing, very pretty, but a lot more subtle from what I feel like. Just a lot more subtle. But it's not bad, you know, it's just different. This color combo is tripping me out. Let me blend and I'll be back in like a couple minutes, probably 10 minutes. All right, friends, so I finished up with some liner, mascara. I didn't want to put lashes on so that you guys could actually see the eye. And then the same colors I put in the crease, Credit and Passion, I put on the lower lash line. Let me know which side you prefer. So this is Jackie Aina. This is the Norvina palette. Here's the thing. I like both of them. They're just different. So the Jackie Aina side, I definitely can see how this is better for deeper skin tones because it's more rich. That's what I'm looking for. It's a more rich color. The Norvina side is very pigmented, but it's a little bit more muted than the Jackie Aina palette. For example, Zan, whatever. I cannot say that word, Zam. That one, way more shimmery, a little bit more deeper, a little bit more rich. This one, gold, the summer shade, it's beautiful. You can see it. It's really pretty. It's just a little bit more subtle, a little bit more muted. So I like both of them. Now, if I had to choose a side, I would definitely choose the Jackie Aina palette because if I'm going to put something on my eyes that's shimmery, I usually want it to be as shimmery as possible, and this one takes the cake. I like the packaging better. The creamy shades have the same consistency to me. They're all creamy. It's just the pigmentation is different. So if any of you have both palettes, let me know which one you prefer, or if you only have Norvina, are you getting the Jackie Aina palette? Or if you have the Jackie Aina palette, that's what I'd like to hear. For those of you that have the Jackie Aina palette, are you just like, okay, the Norvina palette is not even necessary at this point? Because I feel like if I would have had this first, I probably wouldn't pick this up, if I'm being honest. I don't know though, because I feel like this might be better for like every day. But the thing is, the Jackie Aina palette has some matte shades that I could wear for every day. So I don't know. That's actually a good question for myself. If I had Jackie Aina's palette first, would I buy this one? That's food for thought. Let me know your thoughts down below. All right, one product I wanted to update you guys on. This is a brand that is brand new to me. I hope I don't butcher the name. Evelom. It's E-V-E-L-O-M. Evelom. So this is their cream cleanser. So I'll show you close-ups of it. It says that it has a unique blend of 4 aromatic oils that help with cleansing, decongesting, smoothing, and has soothing properties. It actually comes with a muslin cloth, and the way that you're supposed to use it is you're supposed to use it with hot water. And I like this. I've only used it twice now, but the smell is kind of wild. It kind of smells like seaweed, like a fresh seaweed and kombucha, if that makes any sense. I'll leave a link to it down below. You can check out the reviews on Sephora. It's sold at Sephora. I will keep you guys posted on this. I mean, it did a good job of cleaning my skin. I just don't, the smell is very specific. Oh, it's made in England. That's interesting. I didn't know that. So I will leave a link to this down below if you want to check it out. There is a very specific smell. That's the best I can describe it. Check it out. If any of you have tried it and you have smelled it, can you like leave a better smelling description down below? Because I just feel like that would be important. A lot of people, smell is important to them with skincare. So it does have a smell. It doesn't bother me, but it's a very distinct smell that I've never smelled before. So if you want to check that out, a link down below. If you want to see the video where I talk about the Jackie Aina palette and how it's ripped off the Norvina palette, check that out right here.